was a real big mistake on my part early, and the first person I got to apologize to is Carl Edwards, obviously, for what happened there on the backstretch. It just got out from underneath me, and we were getting bounced around like a ping pong ball there for a while, and I got into him and just killed his day. I know he was frustrated, and I could tell out there on the racetrack, but I apologized I don't know how many times. It was unintentional, especially for the way we raced yesterday. It was so good to race that way and to put on a good show in front of these fans and to have that happen. I know they had a good race car, so all that aside, just can't thank these guys enough with this Combos Camry. They did a great job this weekend bringing up a great race car off the truck, and we had a fun time today. We came through a lot of adversity. We worked real hard. Dave and the guys never gave up, and the pit stops were good all day. So we kept battling through everything that was thrown at us, and there at the end, Jeff just had a better car than us. I thought that I was going to be able to. When I got out to a big enough lead, I thought, man, I got it. I can hold him off with this far. And he just ran me down and flat out passed me, So he was really, really fast, and we couldn't hold him back. So it's good to see those guys back in victory lane. Those are all my old 5 guys. So that's cool, if anything's good about today.
We've worked on a lot of new stuff over the off season, and we tried to test, but we had some weather keeping us from testing. And with that, in the way that our sport is now, without having any preseason testing, we've been testing all week. And even the first half of the race, I got to give a lot of credit to Chad, being aggressive, coming to pit road often, big changes to the car, and we woke it up. So I'm happy to get this finished. Needless to say, I'm happy for Jeff, happy for Hendrick Motorsports to win. The more we all run these new cars in the new style setups we're developing, the better we're going to be. And one of them won today, and the one was third. So we're off to a good start. Very happy for Lowe's and Cobalt Chevrolet, and we'll go to the next one.
Well, first off, I just got to thank everybody from Jimmie John's and Budweiser and Chevrolet and everybody at RCR for everything they do. We had a weird day. We wrecked once and then about wrecked again, and then got into it with a couple cars and caved both front fenders in. I wish we could have raced the car and not being tore up, but all in all, everything went good. Guys on the pit crew can do it. We just got to get the consistency there, and we'll be right where we need to be.